Hi, this is Douglas Anderson, CEO of Wall Street Capital Partners. I'm here today at the New York Stock Exchange to tell you about a new company that I've taken a seat on the board of directors of, and that we intend on moving towards potentially a public offering. Metaterra. Metaterra is a holding company that will develop several software assets, and these software assets are primarily focused around blockchain. Now, as you know, my background is in public companies that are regulated on the stock exchange. So why would I be interested in crypto and blockchain type companies? Well, the reason why is very simple. This is a huge and growing industry. The world's biggest institutions are already moving into crypto. BlackRock, Fidelity, JP Morgan, they're all building in this space because blockchain isn't just an experiment anymore. It's the future of finance. Last year alone, global crypto transaction volume exceeded $4 trillion, and the tokenized asset market is projected to reach 16 trillion by 2030. Those are not speculative numbers. Those are structural shifts. So for me, joining Miracle and Metaterra isn't about leaving one world for another. It's about helping to shape the bridge between them, taking the discipline and credibility of the traditional markets and applying it to the innovation and scale of blockchain. That's where the future is being written. So my role with Metaterra is centered on governance, structure, and growth. I've been tasked with establishing Metaterra, the holding company that will anchor the entire Miracle ecosystem and ensure that it has solid corporate foundation needed for long-term success. The background is building and advising businesses at this scale, and I'm bringing that experience to a Miracle and Metaterra by assembling a team of highly capable and credible board members who will guide this company into its next phase. The gentleman that I'm bringing on board, I've worked with before. The first one is John Beyer. John was really a foundational figure in cell phones. It was John from Cellular One and Michael Milken that brought that company to AT&T that was the birth of cell phones everywhere. After that, he started a little company called Widevine, which was bought out by another little company called Google. And to this day, Widevine is the backbone infrastructure of Google. So that was a pretty significant success. And then from there, he worked with and developed a company called Real Networks. Real Networks was the foundation of streaming. Without Real Networks, you wouldn't have Netflix and all these other streaming companies. So he brings real huge success experience to this emerging high growth business. Another is a dear friend of mine, Stephen Moore. Stephen's considered one of the top economists in the United States, if not around the world. He's former editorial board of the Wall Street Journal and was appointed by President Trump to chair the Federal Reserve. However, he declined to do that and is today one of the leading economists that's seen almost every day on networks around the world. And we're very pleased to have him on board. Finally, another dear friend of mine, Fernando Vildasola. Fernando's family started Kenworth, which became PACCAR, which is a 60 billion plus traded New York Stock Exchange company. And they make heavy trucks out of Mexicali, Mexico. And he's also a senator from the state of Guadalajara in Mexico, and he's a dual citizen with the United States. He brings huge corporate finance and business building skill to the table. This isn't just about blockchain. It's about building a sustainable global enterprise where compliance, credibility, and innovation go hand in hand. My focus is to ensure Miracle is not only growing fast, but also growing strong with the right leadership and governments. Its support and its vision are important. Miracle Cash is the first app that they've come up with. It's a crypto fintech platform that bridges the gap between digital and physical finance. We offer both online services like wallets, payments, trading, and physical retail outlets in Europe, where anyone can walk in, get support, and have access to crypto safely. We're headquartered in Holland, and our vision is simple: make crypto accessible, secure, and useful for everyday people and real businesses. Instead of hype, we focus on education, user-friendly tools, and real-world financial solutions. Our mission is to remove the barriers to entry so that blockchain becomes part of the daily life of fast and transparent and reliable transactions. Miracle Pay is our seamless fiat to crypto payment gateway, essentially the bridge between traditional finance and the digital economy. It allows companies to accept both regular currencies and cryptocurrencies with the same ease, whether online or in a store. What makes it powerful is the combination of instant conversions, advanced compliance, and versatile POS systems. That means business can be broadened and their customer base reduce transaction costs and avoid the risks of volatility while staying fully regulated. For companies, this translates into stronger cash flow, lower costs, and access to global customers without barriers. In short, Miracle Pay takes away the complexity of digital payments and replaces it with stability, trust, and scale. Miracle Chain is the backbone, the layer 2 blockchain built specifically for affiliate and direct selling businesses. Think of it as a private, optimistic roll-up replaces legacy commission and CRM systems with faster, cheaper, and fully transparent systems. Instead of messy spreadsheets and disputes over payouts, Miracle Chain automates everything. So you've got your commissions, royalties, payroll, subscriptions, all handled on blockchain with regulatory audit trails. It's modular and scalable with built-in products like a wallet, a payment system, a DEX, and even a launchpad. What makes it different is simple. This isn't blockchain for speculation. It's blockchain for real-world business compliance, scale, and community-aligned growth. So sure, the Miracle Suite is our all-in-one growth infrastructure, a set of interconnected tools that's designed to help businesses and users grow, transact, and thrive on Miracle Chain. It includes a wallet for payments, rewards, and AI-driven gamified growth, a launchpad to build tokenized economies, and a DEX for liquidity, and the chain itself as a compliant backbone. On top of that, Metaterra enables tokenized products and Miracle Pay bridges global commerce through fiat and crypto payments. What's exciting about this is they're partnered with both Ingenico and PAX systems, which if you ever go to a restaurant or a place where you're going to purchase something, especially in Europe, you're presented with these handheld payment systems that you wave your card or phone over to pay. Well, now those systems, which are about 40 million in Europe, will have the embedded Miracle Pay system in them so that they can be used to instantly pay for these systems. That's what excited us, and that's why we've joined this company. I hope to see you soon and successful investing. Thank you.